Hi everyone, welcome to Take My Life. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change ringtones on iPhone. So let's jump right in. First, open the Settings app, scroll down and go to the Sound and Haptics settings. Tap on the ringtone option. Here, choose the ringtone that you like and tap on it. Your iPhone will now use the new ringtone for upcoming calls. And this is how you can change ringtones on iPhone. Thank you for watching Take My Life. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.